Hey, how's it going, everybody? I wanted to invite you for a special event. This Sunday, the 25th of October, I'm going to be launching my very first workshop, my very first online webinar workshop entitled How to Connect Our Human Experience to our spiritual practice, to our spiritual life. What are we going to be speaking about? We're going to speak about how to find balance between material and spiritual life, and how and where to place ourselves so we actually thrive, so we actually happy in whatever level or stage of practice we find ourselves at. How to deal with guilt, shame, responsibility, desires, judgments, pressure from society, from family, friends or enemies. It's going to be about an hour long. Time is arranged internationally, so if you're interested, let me know where you're from, why you would be interested in joining this special event, and you can send me all your answers to the email down in the description below. So I'm looking forward to seeing all of you in my very first webinar, very first workshop here on the channel. Much love and Hare Krishna.